Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. As some of you may know, this month is Pride Month, which is basically a month dedicated to celebrating LGBTQ plus communities around the world. It's quite a big deal in London. You see a lot of rainbow flags out, and there's going to be a huge Pride festival in the centre of London at the beginning of July. It's often hard to imagine these days when you see how openly accepted different kinds of LGBTQ communities are in the UK, that actually it was only in 1967 that being gay was decriminalised. That's 2 years before I was born. And I know that for many years afterwards, it was still quite difficult to be openly gay, to be gay in public, because there was still a bit of a stigma attached to it. If you say there's a stigma attached to something, you basically mean there's a strong feeling of disapproval from many people in society. A lot of people looked at something and saw it as wrong or as embarrassing. So you might say today that there's still a bit of a stigma attached to mental illness and a bit of a stigma attached to admitting that you've suffered from mental illness. However, there's no longer any real stigma attached to being divorced here in the UK. Those days are long gone. And being an unmarried mother no longer carries the social stigma that it used to. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of things that there's still a bit of a stigma attached to where you live, or things that no longer carry the social stigma that they once did.